Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Spotify to your Garmin Venu 3. First, make sure your Garmin Venu 3 is fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to successfully pair your Venu 3 device. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's get Spotify onto your watch. Within the Garmin Connect app on your phone, navigate to the Connect IQ store. Use the search function to easily locate the Spotify application. Once you find it, select it and proceed with the installation. The app will then download and install directly onto your Garmin Venu 3, usually taking just a few moments. With the Spotify app installed, it's time to link your account. Open the Spotify application directly on your Garmin Venu 3. The watch will display a code and instructions to authorize your account. You'll usually need to visit a specific website on your smartphone or computer and enter this code. This process securely connects your Spotify Premium account to your watch. Finally, enjoy your music on the go. Once authorized, you can browse and select your favorite playlists or albums directly from the Spotify app on your Venu 3. Choose the option to download your desired music for offline playback. Remember, you'll need to connect your Garmin Venu 3 to Bluetooth headphones to listen to your downloaded tracks without your phone nearby. Happy listening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.